Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Students, let's start with the discussion of some important question of the topic transportation of chapter life processes. So now the question number 1, what is blood made up of? Blood is made up of the liquid component called the plasma and the solid components, that is the formed elements that are freely present in the plasma. So blood is composed of two types of component, liquid component जिसको हम plasma बोलते हैं, and the solid components which contain formed element, that is your RBCs, WBCs and platelets. And these elements, they are present freely in the plasma, in the fluid. The solid elements, they include RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Question number 2. Mention any two functions of plasma. The two functions of plasma are maintaining osmotic pressure and viscosity of the blood, and the next is help in transport of substances like the hormones and the enzyme. Next, what is the main function of RBCs? So the red blood cells, that is also known as erythrocytes. Now the main function is to carry oxygen. They are the main oxygen transporting elements which are present in our blood. These cells, they contain the pigment, that is hemoglobin, and this hemoglobin has an affinity for oxygen. That means it readily combines with oxygen to form a compound that is known as oxyhemoglobin. Next, question number 4. What are the functions of platelets? Now, the platelets, the first is release of thromboplastin when damaged. Thromboplastin, which initiates a series of reactions that results in the clotting of blood. Now, the function of platelet, it contains a thromboplastin, a type of substance. Okay, so it's a type it's a enzyme, okay, which is released, and this enzyme initiates a series of reaction. Next, retraction of a clot becomes retracted, means it reduces in size. The clot formed by the blood is further made dense by addition of platelets, and this retracts the clot, making it tighter and smaller. And the last is repair of damaged endothelium, that is the platelets, they stick to the damaged portion of the wall and thereby preventing the loss of blood. Question number 5. What is systole and diastole? Now, these are the two phases in the pumping of the blood. The contraction of the heart is known as systole and the relaxation of the heart is known as diastole. Okay. Now, what are lub and dub sounds produced by the heart? These are the sounds of the heartbeat, and they are produced when the valve close during contraction or relaxation. Valves जो होती हैं bicuspid, tricuspid, semilunar valves are present in your these vessels, and when they are closed, then the sound is produced, that is lub and dub. At the start of ventricular contraction or systole, the auriculoventricular valve closes with a lub sound, and the dub sound is produced when a semilunar valve at the entrance of aorta closing at the beginning of the joint diastole, that is relaxation of both ventricles and auricles. Then this sound is produced, that is dub. Question number 7. What is the normal value of blood pressure? Which instrument is used to measure the blood pressure? So the normal value is 120 by 80 mm of Hg, and sphygmanometer is used to measure the blood pressure. What is double circulation? Double circulation is a type of circulation in which blood passes through the heart twice during one complete cycle. That is the specific characteristic of human beings. Next, what is pulse rate? If a finger is kept at a spot where an artery runs close to the body's surface, the rhythmic movement generated by the contraction and relaxation of the heart can be felt. It is found to be same as the heart rate. The number of pulses per minute is called the pulse rate. So the pulse rate is equivalent to the heart rate. Okay, that indicates how many times a throbbing movement of the heart in 1 minute. Now, what is ECG? ECG stands for electrocardiogram. It is a recording of the electropotential changes over the heart muscles. It is used to detect any abnormality in the functioning of the heart that reflects as a change in a regular ECG pattern. Now, ECG, it is a graphic representation ki how your heart is working. Okay, you must have seen there are, in this way you must have seen the structures, yes, in this way. So this is the graphic representation, and it is a electrocardiogram. Okay, that is a type of machine, okay, जो कि electrocardiograph बनाती है. Okay, and this detects if there is any abnormality in the heart, then you will not get this structure, this will vary. Okay, this peaks, and this peak you will not find at regular interval. Now, question number 12, what are the stages in the pumping action of the heart? Now, there are three stages. First is your auricular systole, ventricular systole, and the last is diastole, joint diastole, where auricle and ventricle they both relax. Okay, systole means होता है contraction, डायस्टोल होता है रिलैक्सेशन. तो पहले ऑरिकल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, फिर वेंट्रिकल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, और उसके बाद दोनों ही रिलैक्स करते हैं, जिसको हम जॉइंट डायस्टोल कहते हैं. Which of the two chambers of the heart, which of two is more muscular? So the two chambers are the upper atria and the lower, और जिसको auricles भी बोलते हैं, and the lower are the ventricles. And out of these two, ventricles are more muscular होते हैं because they have to pump blood, where to the lungs also, and to the all the body parts of the heart, all the body parts also. Okay, that's why they are muscular. So these are the few questions. Hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone.